Okay, so it's Saturday now, so we got the car back on the lift. Aldo is planning on doing a stator change to help with the converter. We're gonna try and even get the stator changed out back to the previous stator that was in it, because Aldo said he knows that that one's the one that actually, he knows it works. So we're gonna swap that out. But yeah, time to take the transmission out and get everything swapped.
Should be fairly easy, we'll see. Shout out to Pro Tour.
Yeah, Joe, answering my fucking questions. Saturday, fucking middle of the day, Saturday. Love it.
What are you talking about?
Joe's great, man. He's always fucking answering my text. I mean, no matter what I need, if I have any questions, I will never use any other converter for these non-overdrive trains. Obviously, we're testing. We went with a slightly looser converter, but I think it kind of worked the opposite way with this whole setup. And I mean, that's part of it, you know, we're always gonna have to try to, to pretty much R&D with it. We don't know what's gonna work and what's not, you know? Before, the converter was like slightly too tight, but it worked, it coupled, it fucking went. Now that we have this one in there, it seems like it's really tight down low and really loose up top. I sent them logs, I sent them pretty much what we saw as far as data goes, and he'll respond to me here in a little bit. He said he's gonna be driving, he's like, but I'll get to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the stator change on it anyways, and we're just gonna go from there. So.
How's this thing looking? Looks good.
Just clean it and let's go swap that over.
This is the new one?
That's what we're putting in.
What's the difference?
This is a 17 count tooth at 45 degree angle. This is a 15 count tooth at 50 degree.
All right. What's the difference?
It's just, you know, the angle and the count on that make all the changes on the stator. Like, make all the changes inside the converter. So like every little bit fucking makes a difference on these things. Pretty trick, huh? Crazy.
So you send that one back?
No, you keep it.
Oh, wow.
Yes, you do.
Bring that home to your family.
Randy, I'm gonna bring you home to my family, son of a bitch. about all that?
Alright, we got the transmission back in. Pretty much mounted up in place and just finished tightening all the bolts, get the lines ran, drive line in. And I think that's it. Are you gonna have to adjust the tune at all for the new shit, or just see what it'll do, huh?
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Let's get it!
Come on, Angel. Let's go.
Shit smells like red velvet cake. Wait, I need a napkin. No, not at all. Makes me fucking horny. How much did you take in? About a quarter?
Like, damn near. Well, the converter. I didn't take anything out of the trans. How
That's slow.
long it's been since you put trans fluid?
That's slow. It's full. Fire it up and check it.
Shut the fuck up.
We gotta see if it's
Go!
You're just not holding it right. You're not holding the pito.
Yeah, you don't know how to fucking pour. God damn it, man. Here, give me that. Give me it. Give me it. Go sit outside.
Go. I got it.
Get out of my
I got it.
Damn it. Hurry up. Put the tip right here, bro. Let the tip touch right there, bro. Yeah, buddy. Now pour in like a fucking man. Trans pressure up top, 90-ish.
What was that, 30 or 70 yesterday? 60?
68, 70 on the brake.
This is this same car I had when I was in high school.
That's
White
cool.
85 or Mustang, just like this. But I can't that's how this thing's running right now.
Oh yeah, how long has this thing been sitting?
10 years plus, I think. I've had it for a year and a half, and I drove it around the block one time. It's fucking not even going, dude.
Yeah, so we just did an oil change on it, a new battery, and some spark plugs, and man, it's cool to see this thing get out. This thing has 53,000 miles on it. Yeah, Aldo didn't want to ride along, I don't know why, but heck yeah.
What's up, you got a shift light, dude. It's a shift. Better not break down, pull it out. Fucking rubber. Blow some of the carbon out of this thing. There we go, it's running good.
Yeah.
Air in the tires are probably low.
Yeah, probably.
This looks pretty sick.
Yeah, you can hear the bushings are not entirely there anymore.
You gotta have a stick shift for one of these.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I don't think they'd be near as fun without.
Yeah, he's got the other pretty good. These little things are funny, you know.
Oh yeah,
Remember these back in the day?
yeah.
That's hilarious. This thing, a little light. It's pretty cool.
I think carb definitely needs some tuning, but
Oh yeah.
I mean, heck, for just getting it going after sitting for so long and all that, not bad.
Yeah. Not a bad setup there.
No, not a bad setup at all. Hey, Randy was saying that's the longest he's driven this thing. 5 miles around the block. That's funny. But cool Mustang. Cool Mustang. That's for sure. Definitely a lot of